but you are
And-
coming to this court after such a long time.
Yes, my lords, because
12 years your child is not with you.
lords, I'll explain. Lords, I have explained
And
things
you
in my.
know after 12 years the opinion of the child will be taken into
Lords, my
consideration.
lord.
What can be done? Find out
my lords,
some ways and means so that she can
I'm
at least have some dialogue with her daughter. Or
Mediation
not.
has failed, despite the best effort.
Mediation failed despite
Des-
two senior lawyers at the bar being.
It's unfortunate, but it has
we
failed.
tried our best, my lord. They are not ready to settle.
That's the difficulty. We are looking for mediation in these matters. So,
Probably we were understanding that they may not come together, reunite, but at least even as a one-time settlement or something could have been worked out. But it seems there was rigidity on certain
what are the
issues.
defects?
Lords, there I found today, my lords, there are 10, almost 10 defects, my lord. That can be removed, my lord. We'll
Remove the
that.
defects. How much time?
Will, I think a week's time, my lord. 10
As-
days.
as
10 days,
spread.
my lord. And let there be a date also fixed
Which
thereafter, my lord,
date
so
will
that
be fixed? Date to in every case we are putting it.
Lord, may I make a prayer, Lords? I'm firstly, Lords, this hard copy of the counter affidavit, which has already been served, Lords, as a soft copy.
All right,
has
I'll
already
take
been.
it.
It may be kept
Okay.
on record.
As spread, you want 10 days?
my lords,
You want 10 days time?
10 days time.
I'm giving you 2 weeks.
Jit,
Okay.
jit.
लिखिए as spread 2 weeks time is granted to remove the defects. Full stop. If the defects stand removed, I will list this matter under appropriate heading after 2 weeks on such and such date. Next, Ms. Shoni Srivastava, learned counsel for OP
Respond.
number, respond number
Four.
4, has filed a counter affidavit
Hard copy.
which is taken on the record.
Lord.
Filed बोल दिया तो
Lord.
which is taken on the
Lord,
record. Yes.
Lord, one more prayer. Lord, by my Lord's last order, 29/8/2022 passed in this case. Lord had given no coercive step. Lord, all that is, there is no objection to that. Lord, the only problem is that, Lord, there is a daughter of this respond number 4. And Lord, that is the main issue, that she's not even being, she's restrained even from talking to her. So in the meantime, Lord, whatever time is being taken for the case to be listed once again, Lord, at least one
Who
line
had
that she,
restrained her from talking?
Lord, she's not being allowed. Lord, when she makes a call,
My lords, this is what the instruction she has from her client, therefore she is submitting this. I have a different instruction from my client, Lord. He says, even today he is sitting here in Patna, he says that the child does not want to talk to mother. I said that you must have polluted her mind. I was not on behalf of my client, my lord, while I was talking, because I can make out that a daughter who would refuse talking to her mother is a very rarest of rare case.
Yes.
But he says that she was left with the father and she's staying far off from last so many years. So that has developed. Now the child is growing. So we have no difficulty to those.
Child is only 4 years old.
No, the child is not 4 years old, my lord.
How
6
much?
years is now that they have separated.
Almost
from that.
12, almost
12 years.
Yes.
12 years old.
So now she is grown up. The father says that on Deepavali I made it a point because the mediation had taken place. Although I don't go for mediation, but I went just, my lord, in order that so that they may settle down. over
What can
there.
be done?
The,
Find out
my lords,
some ways and means so that she can at least have some dialogue with her daughter.
No, my lords, he said that I made her talk. I made her
No,
talk
he
on
should not be.
Deepavali.
He should not be there.
No, he said.
Why not that girl child should be taken to some counselor and there both the mother and the girl child be there.
My lords, initially I
Counselor can help
initiated.
them.
My lord, I
Lords, I would explain,
initiated.
that is the reason. Rather, Lords, I had also made this query from the mother, that how you have also been hard-hearted to leave your child. Lords, that is what then I got convinced by what she said, that she was rather compelled to leave the house and that matrimonial relationship.
No, but you are
And-
coming to this court after such a long time.
Yes, Lords, because
12 years your child is not with you.
Lords, I'll explain. Lords, I have explained
And
things
you
in my.
know after 12 years the opinion of the child will be taken into
Lords,
consideration.
my lord will kindly bear with me.
Yes.
Lords, the earlier lords, she was allowed to, she was speaking to her child. She also used to take her to vacations. She used to be with her daughter. At least earlier they were allowing all these things to happen. But recently, lords, after all these developments had taken place, lord, now they stopped her. I don't know, we don't know, lords, what happened, what transpired. Now the daughter is not being allowed to. Meeting is a very rare possibility, even on telephonic conversation. Even that is not being allowed.
Do
And
one
lords,
thing, I am with both of you
My lord.
for the benefit of the girl child.
my lord.
आप लोग दोनों मिल करके बताइए मुझे कि क्या इसमें
So
Ji,
what
is
will be the
being-
way out?
My lords, what is being submitted, let me presume it to be yes for a minute.
नहीं,
my
we
lord.
are not talking legally in this issue.
Yes, yes,
Ji,
not
let
at
us
all.
not
me
talk
presume
legally.
it- Yes, therefore I said,
Ah.
Lord, let me presume it. Otherwise, my lord, my instruction is otherwise. But let me presume that what she is saying is correct because she is speaking on that instruction. Lord, what could be done? The child is not ready to stay. The husband is not ready to stay. The wife is not now ready to stay because she got ready in the mediation, my lord. When I convinced her, she got ready. But they both are so much educated and working.
Should I
They
request
have-
you one thing?
Ji,
You being a senior advocate, why don't you use your own wisdom?
ji.
Talk to the child and take your sister also with you. And both of you talk to the child at least once
My lords, as my lord,
and try to find out where is the problem.
my lords, whenever is the next date, let me talk to her as it has fallen from my lord. But what I understand now, my lord, after talking to, I had the occasion of speaking to that informant also, my lord, in this case. What is there? That she left the child at the age of 6. She was left in the flat which she is banging upon. They have left with the child, the entire family on rent. This is the position.